Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 11th chapter is going on, that is geometry. And we have completed exercise 11A, 11B. Yesterday we were discussing about the topic circle. We have done one practical under this topic also. So, today we are going to start exercise 11C, which is based on the topic circle only, in which we have to find out the radius of the circle and the diameter of the circle. For calculating the diameter and radius of the circle, the formulas are given, which I will give you and you have to write in your classwork copy. So the formulas to find out the diameter and the radius, that is, first is to find out the radius. So to finding out the radius, the formula is diameter divided by 2. In your question, the diameter will be given as a number and you will divide that number with 2. Because to finding out the radius, the formula is diameter divided by 2. Then second formula is you have to find out the formula to find out the diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. So as the numbers will be given as diameter in your question and you have to multiply those number with the 2, and what will be the answer come, that will be your diameter. So let's see exercise 11C with formulas. So be ready with your book and copies. So children, this is formula to find out radius and diameter. In our next exercise, that is exercise 11C, we have to find out the radius and the diameter of the circle. So the formulas are given. To find out the radius, the formula is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. The diameter which will be given in the question, that we will divide by 2, and the answer which will come, that will be radius. Question number 2, formula 2 is diameter of the circle. How to find out the diameter of a circle? So to finding out the diameter of a circle, the formula is used is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Radius will be given in the question. That number you will take and you will just multiply that number with the 2. So what will be the answer come? That will be diameter of the circle. So these two formulas are given. You have to write these formulas in your classwork copy. Then we will start exercise 11C. So let's see what is exercise 11C. First question is the radii of circles. Radii is the plural form of radius. When there are two radius drawn in one circle. Once again, I am repeating my statement. Whenever there is two radius drawn in one circle, so that will be called radii. It means you are in English language you are reading singular and plural. So this is the plural form of radius. Okay, radii is the plural form of radius. So first question is the radii of circles are given. It means in this question the radii is given, are given, and you have to find out the corresponding diameter in each case. Simple, you will use the formula of diameter because in the question it is asking to find out diameter. So you will put the formula of diameter and you will put then the number in place of radius and you will simply multiply that number with 2. So first question, let's see. First question is given 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter is the diameter. Sorry, 3 is the radius of this circle and you have to find out the diameter. So formula of diameter we will write first. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. So radius is given 3. 3 is given 3 centimeter. So we will write 3 in place of radius. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. This is simple. Once again, 3 centimeter is the radius of the circle is given, and you have to find out the diameter. Then you will put the formula of diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Then 2 3s are, sorry, you will put 3 in place of radius, because 3 centimeter is given in the question. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. 2 3s are 6. So 6 centimeter you will write. Centimeter is given in your question, so you will write it here also. Second question is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is again radius. We will put first the formula. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. You will put 4 in place of radius, because 4 is given as radius in the question. So 2 multiplied by 4 will be 2 4s are 8 centimeter. Centimeter again given in the question, 4 centimeter. So answer will come in centimeter, that is 8 centimeter. Then question number C, 8 centimeter is given. So 8 centimeter is the radius of the circle. You will put the formula again. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Then you will put 8 in place of radius, because 8 is given as radius in the question, and it is given again centimeter. So answer will come also in centimeter only. So 2 multiplied by 8, 2 8s are 16 centimeter. Clear? 2 8s are 16 centimeter is the diameter of question number C. Then question number D is given 2 centimeter. Then diameter is equal to, you will put the formula of diameter again, 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, and 2 you will write in place of radius, because it is given in 2 centimeter in the question only. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. 2 2s are 4 centimeter. Once again I am explaining these questions. You have to find out the diameter in this question, and the radius are given already. So first question is 3 centimeter. You will multiply 3 with 2, है ना, because it is given in the formula only. So 2 multiplied by radius, to 2 3s are 6 centimeter is the diameter of question number A. Then 4 centimeter is given. Again 2 multiplied by radius, 4 you will put in place of radius. 2 4s are 8. 8 centimeter is the diameter of question number B. Then third question is given 8 centimeter. Then 8 centimeter is the radius of this question. So you will put again the formula, 2 multiplied by radius. 8 you will put in place of radius. 2 8s are 16. 2 multiplied by 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 16 centimeter is the diameter of question number C. Then question number D is given 2 centimeter. So diameter formula you will put, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, and 2 you will put in place of radius. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 2s are 4 centimeter. So this is question number 1 of exercise 11C. This you have to do in your classwork copy as your classwork. And your today's homework is, you will write the table of 17 and 18 in your classwork copy. Once again I am repeating your homework. You will write the tables of 17 and 18 in your classwork copy, and learn it very clearly, properly. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.